Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन.
In a major setback for Pakistan, Saudi Arabia on Monday echoed India's stand on Jammu and Kashmir, urging Pakistan to resolve all outstanding issues with India bilaterally. The remark by Saudi Arabia was made in a joint statement signed by Pakistan, where Riyadh's stance mirrored that of New Delhi. The joint statement was issued a day after Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, who went to Saudi Arabia, held a bilateral meeting with Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman on Sunday. In the joint statement, the two sides stressed the importance of a dialogue between India and Pakistan to resolve the outstanding issues, especially regarding Jammu and Kashmir, to ensure peace and stability in the region. It is essential to note here that India has a long-held position that Jammu and Kashmir is and will always remain an integral part of the country, and the remaining discussions and disputes should be resolved through bilateral pacts such as the Shimla Agreement. Though New Delhi has expressed its desire to have normal neighbourly relations with Pakistan, it has categorically asserted that talks will only happen once Pakistan has an environment free of terror, hostility and violence.
Exception when it comes to the neighborhood. Again, it needs very little explanation. The fact is that we cannot allow terrorism to be normalized. We cannot allow that to become the basis for getting us into discussions with Pakistan. So I don't think, to me it's a fairly common sense proposition. In fact, if anything, I'm still a little perplexed by why we had not arrived at this position earlier. But we have arrived at it now. And the issue really is that until there is departure from, and I would say an abrogation of this policy of cross-border terrorism, clearly it is not possible to have the normal relationship with that particular neighbor.
Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia has diplomatic ties with both India and Pakistan. Nonetheless, the country's ties with New Delhi have gone on an upward trajectory under PM Narendra Modi, favouring the nation in a host of issues. When Article 370 was abrogated in August 2019, the country refrained from speaking on the matter, referring it to as the New Delhi's internal matter. Pakistan, on the other hand, had intervened in India's internal affairs.